In this episode, we will select elements by using the ID. There is a two-step sequence when controlling an element in the DOM. First, you access the element and then we can manipulate them. In the previous session, we changed the title text, changed the background color, and removed everything with just the text "Hello World." How did the browser know which element to target? We use document.body to access the body. There are several ways to access specific elements in the DOM. One of them is getElementById method. Now let's take them in action. Let me remove all of these codes and instead add document.getElementById method. Here you can add the ID of an element which you want to access. For example, let's say I want to access this S1 tag with the ID title. Copy this title and paste them over here. Once we get access to the element, we can manipulate them. For example, let's apply red color to this title. So add .style.color equals red. If you check the preview, you can see the title is red. Instead of adding document.getElementById, we can add them in a variable so it would be easy to read, and we can also access them later if needed. So on top, I will create a variable title and assign them to document.getElementById title. Now at the bottom, we can simply use title.style.color. If you check the preview, it still works as before. Now, how about adding this color when the user clicks this update button? First, we need to access the update button. So let's create a variable updateBTN and assign them to document.getElementById. We then need the ID of this button. So copy the ID and paste them. Since we got access to this update button, let's add event listener. So add updateBTN.addEventListener, add a click event and a callback function. Inside this function, let me apply this style. Now, if you click on this update button, the red color gets applied in the style. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will select elements by tag name. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.